Hi, my name is Ibtihashik and today we are going to learn how to create an apple in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get started. So to create an apple, you have to select Paint tool, click here and drag upwards, and now third click here and fourth click here. Now select this shape and right click, transform, reflect, and create a copy of it, and then move it to the right side a little bit, and then select both these shape and turn fill color to stroke color and increase the stroke a little bit, and then choose stroke profile to this profile, and move these anchor points a little downwards, and then expand the stroke and choose shape builder tool, and then press alt and delete this shape and then these shape, and now we have the apple shape. Now go to the pathfinder option and unite this shape. Now we have to create a leaf, so I'm going to choose paint tool and now draw something like this. Okay, now I'm going to create a leaf. Click here and here, and now click here and close this shape. Okay, now I'm creating leaves stem, so creating this type of shape, and then select the shape and create a copy of it, and now select the shape and leaf shape, and now go to pathfinder and minus rent. Okay, now select both these shape and unite these, and now direct selection tool, select this one and a little round. Now select this and right click, transform, reflect, and okay. Now rotate this a little bit and move it to here, and select both these shapes and delete it. Now unite this and select this anchor point here and make it a little bit rounder. I think this looks good. Now change the color of leaf to green and apple to red. Now we have our apple ready. So I hope you will learn something from this video. If you learned something, like this video, comment below and subscribe to my channel and share my videos to your friends who want to learn graphic designing. So I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.